Hello everyone, today I will guide you on how to use the automatic messaging feature with MKT Care software. First, you need to prepare your Facebook accounts and the content you want to send as messages. You can refer to some of the settings I have already set up. You need to prepare the message content in advance and input it into the software's content management section, then select the content to be sent. Next, you will need a list of Facebook profile UIDs to send messages. Here, I have already scanned UIDs using the MKT UID software. Please copy the UIDs and paste them into the UID list, then save it. Finally, we select the accounts to load and start the process. The software will automatically send messages for you without any limits. You can send thousands of automated messages to different customers without worrying about time consumption. This is an optimal solution for business people and sellers. Enjoy watching the video.